Hey, how's it going? I'm Ezekielo, back again with another video. And today I have with me the new JBL Xtreme 2 portable speaker. This is going to be a successor to the JBL Xtreme. I've been waiting for this now for the past 3 days, so it's finally here. So let's unbox this and see what we have in here. Okay, all right. There we go. Voila. Let me just put this down. Yes. Yep. Alright. Just put that aside. As you can see, it comes in a new package here. It says unleash the powerful sound everywhere. You're getting IPX7 waterproof, yep, as opposed to the splash proof on the JBL Xtreme. The Xtreme 2 is fully waterproof, so yeah, which is good. You now have the JBL Connect Plus feature as opposed to the JBL Connect on the JBL Xtreme. Okay, let me just unbox this. Okay, quite heavy. Wow, it seems quite bigger than the JBL Xtreme already. Whoa, let me put that down. Let me see what else we have in here. Okay, we have a pack here. Okay, all right. Oh, all right, so here you go. You have your carrying strap here. Let me put that aside and we'll throw this down. What else again do we have here? Okay, we have some pack containing some accessories. Okay, you have your UK plug. Let me put that down. It's also got an EU plug, which is really good, so you're giving 2 plugs. Let me see what else we have here. You have your charging adapter here. Put that aside, and then you have your instruction manual and warranty information. I think that's pretty much all that's here. Let me just put that down. So nothing else in the box. Let me just put that aside, and top, here's the speaker. Let me just open these up and see what we have in here. There we go. Okay. Yes. Alright, so here comes the JBL Xtreme 2. Voila. Wow, it's quite bigger than the JBL Xtreme if you ask me. Slightly bigger and wider. That's what I'm noticing here. I don't have the JBL Xtreme any longer with me. I sold mine, yeah, because I got tired of it. Well, as you can see from the design, it looks like an enlarged JBL Charge 3. It's like it's slightly heavier than the older JBL Xtreme. The passive radiators are like made of this rubbery material. The grip underneath is kind of transparent. Then you still got the nice woven fabric material, which is very rugged. Then you have your Bluetooth connect button, you have your volume rocker buttons, and you have your play and pause button. And then you've got your power switch, and now the new JBL Connect Plus feature. It has now been added to the JBL Xtreme 2. So now you can connect this to any JBL or Harman Kardon speaker with the JBL Connect Plus feature. Still have the JBL logo at the front. Let me just install this strap and then we'll just test it and see how it sounds. Okay, all right, here you have your strap, carrying strap. Oh, okay, it's like there is a bottle opener here, yeah, for you to use when you're outdoors with friends and you want to pop drinks, so which is really good. Here we go, and let me open the ports and see what we have. Okay, opening them. Okay, you have your charging ports here. You now have only one single USB port for charging devices. As opposed to the 2 ports on the JBL Xtreme. You have your service port, and then you have your 3.5mm auxiliary port. Let's test this bad boy and see how it sounds. Please be sure to put on headphones, as this is a binaural recording, so that you have that realistic sound impression. So let's get to it. listening to this, I can say that it's been improved. This overall sound is much more clearer and more detailed than that on the JBL Xtreme. The Xtreme 2 has much more detailed sound. The treble is not that harsh, and the bass is kind of deeper and not that boomy. I will be doing a detailed review very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. But overall, I'm liking the sound here. If you want to purchase one, I will be throwing links down in the description section for you to buy one if you want. That's pretty much it for the unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Xtreme 2. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on the channel. I am Ezekielo, and I'm signing out. Adios.